You can add a mortgage assistant right to your website that will deliver program-specific information while it also answers questions, calculates mortgage payments, and generates leads. Let's go check it out. The bot wants to know, do you want to know why FHA loans are so terrific? So I'm like, sure, tell me. Now for fun, I'm going to have my AI avatar counterpart read the AI responses of the chatbot.
FHA loans are fantastic for several reasons. They're especially great for first-time homebuyers or those who might not have a large down payment saved up. With FHA loans, you can put down as little as 3.5% of the home's purchase price. Plus, they come with competitive interest rates and more flexible credit score requirements, making it easier for more people to qualify for home financing. Another huge plus is that FHA loans can be combined with down payment assistance programs, which can significantly lower the upfront costs of buying a home. This assistance is incredibly helpful for those who qualify, as it can make homeownership accessible sooner than it might otherwise be. Do you have any other questions, or would you like me to calculate a mortgage payment for you?
In case you can't tell, this is not your typical chatbot. This thing gives conversational answers that will keep your users engaged. Well, what if I want to purchase a fixer-upper home? Can FHA help me with that?
Absolutely. FHA can indeed help with that through an FHA 203K loan. This special type of loan covers not just the purchase price of a fixer-upper home, but also funds for renovations. It's perfect for making a house your dream home right from the start. Now, let's get started on calculating a mortgage payment for you. Can you tell me the loan amount you're considering?
Okay, cool. The house is listed at $265,000. What would my loan amount be with FHA?
For a house listed at $265,000 with an FHA loan, you'd typically need a 3.5% down payment. So your down payment would be about $9,275, making your loan amount approximately $255,725. Next, could you tell me the annual property taxes for the home you're considering?
Yep, taxes are $2,950 a year.
Great, got it. How about the annual homeowner's insurance? Do you have that figure?
Insurance is $1,966 a year.
Great. Thanks for providing the annual homeowner's insurance amount. Now, let's talk about today's rates. The 30-year term offers the lowest payment, making it a popular choice. Would you like to get the payment based on the 30-year term rate?
Yes.
Based on today's rates for a 30-year FHA loan, the interest rate is 6.125% and the APR is 6.75%. With this in mind, let's calculate your PITI payment. Principal and interest, $1,555.92. Property taxes, $245.83, based on $2,950 annually. Homeowners. Insurance, $163.83, based on $1,966 annually. Total estimated monthly payment, $1,965.58. Would you like to sign up for rate updates to keep track of any changes that might benefit you? Any rate and/or payment information provided is subject to a complete application and documentation review.
Wow, that's less than I'm paying in rent, but what if the house needs about $25,000 in renovations?
That's fantastic to hear. It's more affordable than your rent. And yes, if the house needs about $25,000 in renovations, an FHA 203K loan can cover both the purchase of the home and the renovations, making it a seamless process to finance your fixer-upper and turn it into your dream home. Now, would you like to sign up for rate updates to keep informed about any beneficial changes? If so, can I have your name to start the process?
What would that payment look like?
If we add about $25,000 for renovations into your loan amount, making it roughly $280,725, your new estimated payment would be slightly higher due to the increased loan amount. Here's a rough breakdown. Principal and interest. Adjusted for the higher loan amount, let's estimate around $1,710. Property taxes, $245. Homeowner's insurance, $163. Total estimated monthly payment, approximately $2,119.66. This is a basic estimate, and the actual numbers could vary slightly based on the final loan amount, interest rate, and specific insurance and tax rates. Would you like to sign up for rate updates to stay informed? If so, I just need your name to get started.
So how much did that payment go up?
With the addition of $25,000 for renovations, the monthly payment increased from the initial $1,965.58 to approximately $2,119.66. That's an increase of about $154.08 per month, which covers the cost of turning the fixer-upper into your dream home. Would you like to keep up with rate changes and updates? If so, I'd be happy to help. Just need your name to start.
Well, bam! That's awesome. Yes, I want to be kept up to date. My name is Tim.
Thanks, Tim. You're awesome too for making such smart choices about your future home. I'm glad to hear you're excited about the possibilities with this FHA loan. Next, could I get your email address to keep you updated with the latest rate information?
Yes, it's timarmstrong@gmail.com.
Got it, Tim. Your email is all set to receive the latest updates on rates at timarmstrong@gmail.com. Lastly, could I get your phone number for a more direct line of communication for rate updates?
Sure, 763-567-0829.
Fantastic, Tim. You're all set. We'll keep you updated on rates via email and phone at timarmstrong@gmail.com and 763-567-0829. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, you can always book an appointment to review our chat with AI Tech Mortgage.
That is terrific. Thank you.
You're very welcome, Tim. I'm thrilled to hear you found the information helpful. Remember, we're here to support you every step of the way towards homeownership. If you ever have more questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Best wishes on your home buying journey, and thank you for allowing us to assist you.
So that's pretty cool, right? So what I did was I created an FHA frequently asked questions database, put it into a Google Sheet, and then I prompted my chatbot with some simple instructions to ask some questions and offer some services. So what you saw was an automated conversation based on those prompts and that information. Now the cool part is we can set up one of these for anybody with any kind of a business or even any kind of a loan product. So just imagine what this could do for your website, answering those repetitive questions, offering people your booking link, your calendar link, answering questions, just making your life and your customer's life a lot more simple. Because sometimes people just need a quick answer and they don't necessarily need to call you. And maybe you don't want to be available for the phone call. So now you can have an AI assistant set up on your website that's very affordable. So if you're interested in this, please reach out to me at fastpages365.com/contact us.